Need a video clip that doesn't exist anywhere online? With VideoGen's AI video clip tool, you can create custom video footage from a simple text prompt. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to generate AI video clips and add them directly to your project. Before we start, you can visit VideoGen.io to follow along the steps. If you're watching on social media, you can find a link in the description. Let's get started. Start by creating a new video. Then select AI Video Clip. This opens the AI Video Clip Creator right inside VideoGen. Now comes the fun part. Describe the video you want to create. Think beyond keywords. Imagine you're directing a scene. For example, you could create a drone shot flying through a futuristic city, a cinematic sunset over the ocean, or even a close-up of an astronaut walking across an alien planet. The more details you provide, the more control you have over the result. Try describing the subject, the environment, the camera angle, and any movement you'd like to see. In just a short time, you'll have a brand new video clip created specifically for your project. When it's ready, review the result. Whether you're creating marketing videos, educational content, social media posts, or product demos, AI video clips help bring your ideas to life in minutes. And because everything happens inside VideoGen, your new clip is ready to use right away. That's how easy it is to create custom AI video clips with VideoGen. Try it today and turn your ideas into video with nothing more than a prompt.